Hey guys, I'm back. So I gotta get ready to take down this hair. The reason why is because I've had spit in my hair from my baby, food from when it's swinging all over the place, and what else? Just everything has been in my hair. I gotta talk quiet because my baby's sleeping and I can see him from here, so we're good. But this needs to be taken down. Where do I start? I really don't know where, because the front, remember, is wrapped and then the back is crochet. So the back is easy to take down. It's just the front. So we're gonna work together on this. So let's see. I'm gonna start right in the front. You know what I'm saying? Just start right in the front. So I'm gonna unravel it. Because remember, I did not put any glue on here. I just wrapped it up and kind of maybe swish it in my hand or so to get it to stay, and that was it. I thought about cutting off this part of the hair, the loose hair, cut it off and just wear the natural twist fox lock, but I ain't got time for that. I'm ready for a new style. I'm the type of person that, like, I would love to switch up style so much, but it's like manipulating your hair so much also causes damage, you know. So I be trying not to do that, but baby, on a serious note, I really need to take this down. It's looking a little raggedy, you know what I'm saying? I don't even want to do this. I even asked my kids if they can help me, and they said no, of course. You know, kids gonna be kids. They don't sit for a long time unless they on the tablet. We're gonna twist the opposite way. Where the scissors at, baby? At this point, I don't even care if I cut my hair. Oh, it should take little to no time, but look. Oh my gosh, I didn't pull my hair. Oh, I think we're getting somewhere. I don't know, it's stuck. Oh no. No. I'll be back to figure out how I'm gonna take this down. Hold on, I'll be back. All right, guys, I figured it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, let's do it right here. Don't talk about me and my edges, boy. I ain't got none. I know I ain't got none. Don't tell me, I already know. I done pulled my edges out while braiding my hair so tight because I am heavy-handed, so. But anywho, let me see. Okay, so you pull this down where I was wrapping the hair at. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror behind this camera. And then you find where the loose hair is at. I said loose hair, but this braiding hair, I find it and I cut it. And, oh Lord, I hope I don't cut my hair. Oh gosh, I can't be bald all in the front. Lord, oh Lord. Okay. And then you pull it through, and then where I had my hair, like, I don't know, wrapped in there, I just pull it out and there it go. Ooh. Yeah, bam. 3 down. Probably 50 more to go. Shh. I can't get this one. Lord have mercy. Why did I even start this? I done started, now that I finish it. I could put a hat on. Let's test it. But not for real. Let me take it down. Because it smells like baby spit up and food, pasta, I don't know, just a little bit of everything. I just don't want to do it. I ain't got nobody here to help me. Can y'all see that? I cut my hair for the 2nd time. God, look, you can see my hair. Look at my hair, oh my gosh. You see that? Look. You see it? That's where I cut it at. And then this is like where my... Somebody come save me. Let me go ahead and take this down so we can see what I'm working with. But guys, I swear, I can't believe I cut my hair. I cannot believe I did that. I wasn't trying to. Maybe it needs to be cut, because look, I got a lot of split ends going on here. I need a beautician. Oh, I need a beautician. All right, I'll be back. He beat me. Okay guys, I gotta get my son, he's waking up. Oh shoot. But I have this much to go, so I'm gonna try. Hold on, let me get him. Jesus. I'm gonna do this with you in my hand. I'm gonna finish your hair. Okay. Here in my hands. As you can see his little head, but let's see if I can do this one hand. I don't want this on his face or nothing. I'll push him over to the side. Baby, you gotta do what you gotta do. But for real, guys, like, I'm not gonna do this hairstyle again. Or if I do, I'm gonna have somebody to help me take it down because I keep cutting my hair. I cut my hair out on another side over here. I'm done. But, man, I asked my daughter, and she pretty much said find somebody else to do it. So I'm just like, all right, I got you. I got you. So I gotta find somebody else to do it. I think I'm doing okay doing it with one hand while he's in my lap. I need to figure out another hairstyle I'm gonna do. I don't know at the moment. Cause I need something that's not going to be so like hard on this part of my hair. And I think like almost everything you could think of is hard on your hair, except like wigs, or if I do it. Boy, you handsome kids. He looking around like, girl, leave me alone. You wanna say bye? Say bye-bye. Wave, 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 wave. Let me finish this. Hopefully I can get it all done. I'm hoping, maybe I can put him back to sleep. But I told y'all he don't sleep long. Look, he all up in my hair on this nasty stuff. Hold on. Ooh. All right, be back. All right, guys, I put my son on baby duty so I can get this done. But he's just watching him while he's in his little swing. But I'm gonna be going in and out. So that's why I didn't want to sit on the camera doing my hair, because I'm gonna be walking around taking it out. So yeah, it's not gonna be too hard. I'll come back whenever I have just the braids left. No, I'll come back when I'm done so I can end the video because I'm talking too much. All right, guys, I'm back and my son is like screaming his head off in there with his brother, so I gotta hurry up and end this video. But I appreciate each and every one of you that have watched this whole video until the end. I really appreciate it because I usually don't get a lot of people that do watch my videos always at the end. But anywho, I'm done. I did my hair in 4 ponytails. I brushed it out. And so this is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna sleep like this because your girl is tired and little man is not having it. So he's having one of those days. So I'm gonna end up having one of those days. So I don't know what's gonna be my next hairstyle. We're just gonna have to wait and see what I post. But in the meantime, my hair is just gonna be looking like this. I don't go nowhere. I'm at home all the time. And if I do go somewhere, you know, I'm gonna put on a hat, put a low bun, put on a hat, something simple and easy to do. Oh, my baby's just crying. And thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below what's my next hairstyle you think should be. And I will see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye.